Ever felt lost in the SEO maze, struggling to crack the code for a top-ranking website? SEO can feel like a complex puzzle, and if you're not an expert, it's easy to get lost in the maze of algorithms and keywords. But fear not. We're here to guide you through the intricacies of monthly SEO, navigating you through the challenges, and demystifying the secrets of search engine optimization. Hello everyone, I'm YY Lee. Welcome to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to do so and turn on the notification bell. Have you ever dealt with SEO for your website? How long does it take to improve your website's ranking on Google? After watching this video, you'll understand how ZoeWebs effectively helps our clients with SEO services. The video will guide you step by step on what needs to be done each month, so don't worry about not grasping SEO. Before we start, we'll check if your website meets certain qualifications. 1. The website must be completed and online. 2. The services and product is legal to sell online. 3. Ensure your website can add content and pages. 4. We recommend using a CMS to manage your website, such as WordPress, Joomla, and Wix. Don't worry. If any aspect doesn't meet the qualifications, we'll help you address the issues based on your needs. SEO involves three main parts: planning, setup, and monthly SEO. Although SEO may take about 1 year, in reality, this isn't enough. Long-term, stable results require persistent efforts and strategic optimizations. This explains why 1 year may only be the initial stage of the SEO process. So, what are we doing during these 12 months? In the first month, we perform a comprehensive website audit to assess your site's health and authority score. Simultaneously, we perform detailed keyword research, strategically selecting optimal keywords by considering market demand, search volume, intent, and ranking possibilities. This strategic approach ensures alignment with user queries, enhancing the discoverability of your online content. Additionally, we implement various SEO tools such as Rank Math, Yoast, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google My Business, and SEMrush. These tools offer invaluable insights, enhancing your site's SEO performance by identifying traffic-driving keywords and areas for improvement. In the second month, our attention turns to crafting a detailed plan for optimizing your web pages. This optimization encompasses content strategy, backlink strategy, and UI/UX enhancements. Our proposal will meticulously lay out personalized recommendations and strategies to elevate your content's effectiveness, improve user-friendliness, and align seamlessly with targeted keywords and search engine criteria. The objective is to enhance the impact of each page, ultimately playing a pivotal role in the overall success of your online presence. In the third month, we'll implement our proposed strategies upon receiving your approval. We'll refine the web pages by adjusting elements like schema markup, meta titles, descriptions, image alt text, and content to seamlessly align with the chosen keywords. A key tip is to strategically incorporate these keywords in the URL, web page titles, H1, H2, H3, as well as the first and last sentences of the content. This strategic integration can significantly enhance your website's ranking. In the fourth month, we perform technical SEO tasks, including creating robot.txt, sitemap, and installing SSL. These are crucial for Google's search engine to detect and crawl your website. We also modify the website by adding a 404 page, optimizing non-mobile friendly pages, setting up CAPTCHA for security, and recommending the addition of a blog or knowledge sharing page for quality content. This is why it's important to ensure your website can add pages before starting SEO. Furthermore, we optimize the website speed, including script reduction, image size optimization, checking hosting performance, and installing plugins to enhance speed and improve the user experience. Between the 5th and 12th months, we regularly perform tasks to maintain the website's SEO performance. This includes adding new content every month, such as blogs, press releases, and event articles to keep the website fresh. Besides, we help the website with link building to increase traffic and authority. Additionally, fix any errors within the website and provide clients with monthly reports so they can have peace of mind, understanding our SEO process and the current state of the website. Now, do you find these steps a bit complex? Don't worry, just leave it to ZoeWebs. With over 15 years of experience in the web design and digital marketing industry, we can surely help you secure a presence on Google's first page to gain more traffic without a hefty advertising budget. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next videos. Thank you and goodbye.